Hey guys, it's me, Reagan, and today we are going to be doing a Barbie reveal, color reveal, dog park and movie night. So, I'm gonna start with the dog park and what I got for the first dog park right here, the beach ball you see. I got this purple bag that says Barbie on it right here. Can't really see it though. And then, you know, the second one right here, I got a dog and his water bowl, or his food bowl. And for this one here, nothing on it. I got this little, like, rainbow top. And for this one right here, I got this jean skirt. And for this one, which is
starfish?
oh,
heart?
no, it's actually dog bones. We got these glasses. And for right here, the stars, we got this water bottle for hydration. And for the last, oh wait, no, not this. And for right here, the sunglasses, we got this orange and blonde wig. And for this teeny weeny one, which is the heart, we got these little pink shoes. And for the movie part, these two stars are right here. We got this backpack. And for this one right here, we got this kitty cat, which we are going to reveal when we reveal the Barbie. And then we have the popcorn cup kind of thing, because it has a little. And then for this other, just one dog bone, we got this flower sponge. And for these 3 stars, we got these very fancy shoes with tassels on them. And for the popcorn, we got this wig. It's like brown hair, and then it has a streak of purple in it. And for the dog paw, we have this star dress. And I also cut this open, so we're gonna be color revealing the Barbie soon. So this is like hotish water, warm water. So if you buy this, be careful because it's hot.
Ooh.
And we accidentally added too much heat, so it kind of melted. So the doll is kind of like getting like, what's it called? Like cleared, so we're gonna take it out and see how she looks. So this is what she looks like.
Let's see.
Now we're gonna do the cat and dog at the same time. It's kind of coming. Instead of a chopstick, we're gonna use a spoon.
Be careful, Reagan.
Add the mix them. So this is what the dog park looks like. And this is a movie look. So you got the shoes, and then this is the dress, with the wig, popcorn, backpack with the cat inside, and then inside of here is the doggy. I put his food bowl in here and the water bottle. And I really like this because you actually get to like reveal it, and you usually like regular Barbies, you just see it through the plastic and you see, and then you know which one you get. And this is actually kind of fun, just like not knowing what you get, because I really like LOL. Ella was a surprise.